Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm David, and today we're playing with the Foredom SR. Alright, so my lovely had got me this for Christmas. As you saw, it was pretty easy to set up. It comes with a tabletop variable speed dial. And we got the H28 handpiece. It fits 1/8 inch spurs like this Kutzall Extreme Flame Burr, and also 3 30-seconds. So that would be awesome. Now there's many handpieces that you can get. There's a lot of accessories for this. So yeah, I'm gonna try this out for the first time. So I'm gonna give this a test run. This has 18,000 RPMs. I got it hanging up here. It's about 35 inches high. That's about recommended away from your workpiece or above your workpiece. You don't want to bend its shaft, or it can cause it to heat up and break. So yeah, we're in business. We got the Foredom SR series. Hope this video is enjoyable. Not sure what I'm gonna carve yet, so stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. Thanks for all the support. So enough with the nonsense, right? Just carve Rob, and let's get to carving. Alright, so I'm gonna do a whimsical little house here. So I'm gonna use this would be the roof, a little door, maybe some bricks. So for my first carving on the Foredom SR, I'm gonna try a little whimsical house. Alright, so enjoy the video. I'm gonna speed this up. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and use some Starbond CA glue to glue down this doorknob and chimney here. Alright, let's put on some walnut stain. I'll hurry up and get this done and I'll be right back. Right now we're going to do some painting. Add some color to this. Painting the stones, the brick stones around the door and window. Alright, so we have it all painted. Now I'm just going to go ahead and put on some semi-gloss clear lacquer. That's the stuff right here. Alright, let's finish it off. Alright everybody, so here we go. Here it is, the little whimsical house. I hope everyone enjoyed the video. I want to say thanks for everyone for watching. Hope everyone has a great happy new year 2021. So I would love it if you would subscribe, hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and of course as always, I'll catch you later.